IJ software.
How to install Kdenlive video editor. Step number 1. Open a browser. Step number 2. Search a keyword, Kdenlive. Step number 3. Download the installer. Step number 4. Install and restart your computer. So go to your browser and search for Kdenlive. Okay, here we go. And then you must click here. So click to download, and then once it's already downloaded, go to your download file. And here you go. So all you need to do is to double click. Just click yes. Okay, so our file is now downloaded. So let's wait until it finishes. Okay, so we just have finished downloading the file. So just click finish. And you can search or open the file. So since we have already finished installing the app, so let's go ahead and restart. So you can restart your computer after you install the software. So let's go ahead and open the software. So let's try to navigate or try to look what is the interface of the software. So now you will be able to edit a video like Pro. So this is also similar with Adobe Premiere, but Adobe Premiere has more features than Kdenlive video. So here we go. So this is the appearance of the Kdenlive video. So for the next tutorial we will discuss how to add a file and edit your first video. So thanks for watching.